I'm Atina Rozon with Purdue Extension here in Jennings County, and I'm joined again with my daughter Catherine to end our series on cooking with kids. And we're going to end it with making individual homemade pizzas. So I'm going to go ahead and let Catherine get started with rolling out the dough. And I want to just start by talking about rolling out the dough. That might be one of those tasks that might be kind of tough for as a parent to kind of relinquish some of that responsibility to our child. But believe it or not, our kids play with something pretty regularly, hopefully, that really teaches them that skill that they can learn, that they're going to use in the kitchen about rolling dough. So Play-Doh is a perfect opportunity. If you don't have a nice little miniature rolling pin, it's perfectly fine. Any little round device that they can use to kind of roll back and forth, it's going to get them to start to learn about that technique. The other part about doing homemade pizzas, if you have several children or you have grandchildren and you're having them over to cook with them in your kitchen, this is a perfect opportunity to have a variety of different toppings. This is that opportunity for them maybe to make the list of what they might want at that grocery store shopping experience. And then everyone can make their own individual pizza with their personal preference. And really what it does is it kind of creates that buy-in, as we've talked about with some of our other snacks that we've talked about. So Catherine, let's see what you have. You've added some pineapple, some peppers, pepperoni, cheese, and then did you add a little Italian seasoning here at the end?
Yes.
Okay, this is a good opportunity also to talk to your children about nutrition. You know, that we can season our foods without salt. That is a thing as Americans. We have a tendency to grab the salt shaker, and if we can develop those habits as a young age, that there's other ways to season our foods, maybe with the toppings that we have, or as we have here with just like some Italian seasoning, to give all that flavor to the pizza that we've created. So with that, are you ready to put these pizzas in the oven?
Yes.
Okay, well, we hope that you've enjoyed our videos this week, and hope that you will have an enjoyable time with your children in the kitchen. Thank you.